One. Only one. One. Hello. I'm feeding. Wow. What wow? Why wow? What's that wow? That's sad. Why sad? What is sad? Why did you say sad? Candy. Oh, I'm not sad. Granny is late because she sleep. She sleep very well. After breakfast, she sleep and then she get up. Have only one person watching him. Well, now it's 3. Yes, only 4. 4. Only 4 watching my live. It's okay if I can get a super chat. That's a very happy one. I'm kidding. I'm only joking. Oh, 6 million. Thank you for staying here, my friend. Candy. Candy. You know candy? Candy is, you can chew. That's candy. I like your name, Candy. I have, oh my god. I sneeze good. I have to go to bed. Oh my god. Sleep well, my friend. Granny got sneeze. Sneeze. Good night, my friend. Candy. The name Candy very sweet. Like candy lollipop. Okay, 8 million. Oh my god. Good night, sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, Candy. I like the same too. The name too. My name, Guzman. Guzman. Bye bye. Bye. Have a sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. 2 million. Thank you. You should say, see you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Good night. Sleep well. Hmm. 5 million. 7, 10. 5 million. Ayun. Sneeze. 5 million. Sisi Kurtnit. Salamat, Sisi. Kain, Sisi. Sisi Kurtnit. Ano ang gagawin ko? Friday. Kumain na kayo, Sisi? 12 mag-1 o'clock na. Late ko pinakain si Lola. Tulog kasi. Tulog. Hirap kumilos pag pag holiday. 6 million. Thank you. Holiday dito sa Taiwan. Yesterday and today. So you can't move. You can't do what you want to do. Because it's a holiday. Holiday. Wait until Monday. Very long weekend. Very long weekend. Long weekend. Thank you 2 million. Nawa na yung mga angel ko.